Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix No Man's Sky game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following all 4 steps, you can then check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following the each steps. So here we go. The first step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear No Man's Sky cache files. So press Xbox Guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Now look for the No Man's Sky game and then highlight it. Then press the menu and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to General Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address, then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, you can then launch No Man's Sky game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. Now after adding your account, launch No Man's Sky game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and select a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4, run the No Man's Sky game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type No Man's Sky in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5, change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it. Then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't help to fix the problem, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1, then save it and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to reinstall No Man's Sky game. So this is the last solution. If nothing seems to work, then uninstall the No Man's Sky game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve No Man's Sky game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.